See teamwork in action. Let's see being generous to other people. Kind of. Well, he shoot him out. But they wait and they take their turn. If he's not done, he'll shoo you away. When he's done, the next one will wait. Problem is I'm sitting where they usually eat, and now they are getting there. As they see I'm not going to bother them. So that one took over that little feeder I have. But look over here. There's where they're at. Oh, here they all come. So this bad Larry over here. He's still eating in there. He's like, yeah, come on. Nobody's getting this food no more. He's like, come on, man, let me in. You gonna let anybody in? He's like, nope. Nobody's coming in here. This is my feeder.